Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. The community of Coopers Hill is one of several middle income residential communities located in Red Hills. Nestled in Coopers Hill is this detached two-story incomplete two-family residence comprising of ground floor with an open carport and an open veranda, living and dining room with concrete staircase leading to the first floor. Kitchen, one bedroom, one bathroom, powder room, external bathroom, laundry, back porch, self-contained flat with living, dining room and kitchen, bedroom and bathroom. First floor comes with three bedrooms, three bathrooms, sitting area, front and rear balconies, sitting on 0.19 acre of land. This property allows you to add your own personal touch to create your dream home. Contact your realtor to make your offer. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 32 million or US $204,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.